Okay, it's recording. Get your laughs out. Welcome back to Cooking with Wes. Today, we got another Backwoods by LEM. Picked this up at the local farm store just like the other three. Today, we're going to make some beef sticks using the big press that WildWesGoudy gave me that was gifted to him by my grandfather's, or my wife's grandfather. We will be doing this one today. We're going to mix it just like it says on the back of the package. All the LEM products that I'm using today will be in the link in the description. Nothing is sponsored whatsoever. This is literally just what I found at my local store. I will be trying some other brands here soon that have been mentioned in some of my previous videos. So this is what we're doing today. Let's get after it. We will not be using the cure because we eat these faster than they need the cure for. And this is much finer than the not summer sausage, the bologna that we made, but it should be because these are beef sticks. But mix this all up. Okay, we got that all mixed up. We'll take our venison. This says, once again, to mix with 20% pork fat or pork. Everything we do is beef this year, so it hasn't made a difference yet. Get this in our bowl. This is exactly 1 pound. I weighed it out already. And this is deer we literally shot about 100 yards, well, not even 100 yards away from the house. So you can see videos of that too. But we got it mixed in there. We'll dump this in here. Set that to the side. We will grab another glove. Because around here we mix everything with our hands. Mix this up as good as we possibly can. Clean our hands off. Alright, today, since we're making beef sticks, or venison deer sticks, we are actually using collagen casings. These were given to me by WildWesGoudy to use specifically for beef sticks. But these are the collagen casings. These ones we do not need to soak in water. 2 strands of these holds 13 pounds of sticks, which is crazy. And we need to use a 3/8 stuffing tube, which today we're going to use the giant press. It's a lot of meat, or very little meat for a big giant press. We'll see how well it works. We may have to try and stuff some of it with our hands because I think a lot of it's going to get stuck in there. But all right, so we have our giant press. We've already put the casings on. We got our 3/8 tube. Now this press can hold up to, I think, at least 20 pounds of meat. This thing is huge. So I think 1 pound might be a little bit of a hassle for this giant thing, but you don't know until you try. In here, you can see there's a little funnel. We're going to try and put the meat right on top of that funnel so we can get most of that through there as much as we can. In here. You can purchase presses very similar to this at most large retailers, box stores. We even have an Amish store, which is crazy, a couple miles away, that sells these presses too. I don't think they'll be as heavy duty. I'm not really sure. I've never purchased one, but I was grateful enough to be gifted this one. So we will see how well she works. Like I said, this holds a lot of meat, so I don't know how well this 1 single pound of meat is going to work. We're also going to do 1 long stick and then cut them after we get all the meat pressed through. There she is. There's the meat. We're going to keep her as tight as possible. And I have no idea what to expect on how much this is going to make. I think we're getting towards the end. All right. I think we're about at the end. As you can see, you probably can't, but we are popping the seals in there and we're getting some juices to come in there. So I think we're about at the end. I can't get it to twist anymore. I'd say this is about, I don't know, 3 foot long. Pulled off. We'll tie the end. And I think we'll just smoke it. I think you're supposed to do that. All in one big thing. We'll throw it on the smoker. This is leaking a little bit, but there's our deer sticks. So we need to let it set that overnight. Let it get a little bit firm in the refrigerator. And then tomorrow, we'll throw on the smoker. All right, here we are where we put the, we got our deer sticks and our trail bologna on the smoker. We're at 180, well, that's because I got it open. We got it set to 200, but we'll let this be on here for as long as it takes. We'll check it about every hour and a half to 2 hours. It's pretty chilly today, as you can't really see it on camera, but so might take a little bit longer to keep this thing warm all day, so we don't want to open it too much, but we're gonna see how long this takes and how well they turn out. So we're about an hour and a half in. We're looking good. A little bit longer. All right, I think it's time to pull off the beef stick. They're firm. Been on here for about, I don't know, 2.5 hours. They look pretty good. Starting to sweat a little bit, but we're gonna throw her straight into some ice water. Today, I have a special guest, my beautiful wife, who's very nervous to be here to try these deer sticks. So we're gonna cut some off. We'll just do littles because she's super apprehensive about even trying this. I haven't even cut them up yet into sticks, so we're just gonna do 2 little ones. We'll do this one and we'll cut it in half. These do have the edible coating on it. You're welcome to take it off if you want to. But they have the edible coating. It looks good. It looks just like the summer sausage. It smells like a deer stick would, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we're going to try these and hopefully this video gets posted. Do you want to take the skin off or no? We're going to taste it. It didn't have flavor at first. The first like bite or two didn't have flavor. But they definitely taste like a deer stick.
Yeah, they taste like a deer stick.
They could have a little bit more flavor.
I don't care for the
coating. Yeah. The coating is, it'd be better if it was cut off. It takes away from the flavor, I think. I'm going to try another piece. This is what it looks like without the coating on it. You can't really tell the difference, but I think it's better. It's better without the coating on it. But
more flavor.
More flavor. Less of the like chewy texture.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I make more of these?
To my standards, it might be just a tad bit peppery. That last bite was.
Yeah. Spicy or just peppery?
Peppery.
Yeah.
Like just a little too much.
These are just the traditional ones. They had some other flavors, but this is just the ones that I picked up. But I think overall I'll make more of these. Whether she eats them or not, I know the kids will enjoy them. So that's it for the deer sticks video. Stay tuned. We got one more cooking video coming up, and she will be tasting that with me as well.
Yahoo!
I think she's a little bit more nervous about that one than this one. But thanks for watching and stick around. Okay. Okay, it's recording. Get your laughs out.
Well, let me open this.